Hi YouTube. I'm looking at this Chelou song, Chelou. Chelou is the artist. That's that's the main riff that plays like through the first 2.5 minutes. What it is, it's G major 7. We're just playing on the top 3 strings, barring right across the 7, 7, 7 on the G, B, and E strings. Then we go to this F shape, and that's index finger at the 5 on the B. Your next finger is going to be on the 6 on the G, and then your third finger is going to be on the D at the 7th. Now this is an A, so we can play the open A on the. Okay, but when we put our pinky, when we hammer our pinky on here, this makes it a D major 7. Okay, so we're going G. So the progression goes from G major 7, and then it kind of like does F, and we hammer on to the D major 7. And on that one, we're not playing the high E. He's the guitar on the. There's multiple guitars on the recording, and he's also playing the bass notes. He's doing the open A, bass notes with that. I'm just showing a bare bones, but you have a D right here. You have an A, so those are 2 of your bass notes right there. All right, and then at the end of the song, I think he's using drop D tuning. Maybe put on some. Okay, that's like the progression at the end of the song, like at about 2 minutes 30 seconds. It goes to kind of a grungy. So it's open and drop D tuning. It's your D chord. We're going to go to the 4th fret, the 9th fret, and we're just playing the strings 6, 5, and 4. Like, drop D tuning. That's cool. Very grungy. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.